In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check pending connection requests on LinkedIn Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see who's requested to connect with you and which invitations you've sent that are still waiting. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and your internet connection is steady so the page loads properly. On the bottom of the screen, look for the My Network icon. Go ahead and tap that. This is the hub for everything related to your connections, followers, and invitations. Once you're on the My Network page, you'll see a section that highlights your connections and how many people you're following. Right around there, you'll also notice the Invitations area. This is where LinkedIn groups your pending activity. It typically shows two views, one for invitations you've received and one for invitations you've sent. To see the invitations that other people have sent you, tap the option that says Invite Received or Simply Received, depending on your app version. This will list all the connection requests you haven't responded to yet. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a second to load or scroll slightly. Interface layouts can vary a bit between devices and app updates, but it's always within the My Network area. If you want to check the invitations you've sent, look for the Sent option in the same Invitations area. Tap that to view all the requests you've initiated that are still pending on other people's end. This is helpful if you're curious whether someone has accepted yet or if a request is still awaiting action. The app keeps these two views side by side so you can quickly move between what you've received and what you've sent. If anything looks different on your screen, don't worry. Sometimes the labels read Invitations with tabs for Received and Sent, or the placement may shift slightly after an update. The key is that everything you need is inside My Network and within the Invitations section there. And that's all you need to do. Open LinkedIn, tap My Network at the bottom, and use the Invitations area to switch between your received and sent requests. It's a quick way to stay on top of your pending connections and keep your professional network organized. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.